Hi everyone! Imagine a person who can effortlessly connect with others, inspire them to take actions, and make them feel seen and heard. Sounds like a superhero, right? Welcome to Connect Within TV. Let's dive into the fascinating world of ENFJs and uncover the secrets of this personality type. ENFJ stands for Extroverted, Intuitive, Feeling, Judging. It is one of the 16 personality types according to the Myers-Briggs Type Indicator. They are known for being charismatic leaders, empathetic listeners, and passionate advocates for their values. Their extroverted nature helps them to understand and connect with others. Meanwhile, their intuition empowers them to imagine and explore new ideas, think about the future, and find creative solutions. This powerful combo makes them progressive leaders. They are confident, inspiring, and have a strong presence. With their unique blend of empathy and passion, they have the power to transform lives, communities, and the world at large. ENFJs are gifted speakers who can inspire and motivate others with their words. They are fiercely dedicated to their causes and will stop at nothing to make a positive impact that eventually makes them stand out. They are empathetic, think quickly, and are always ready to help. They have some special qualities that make them ultimate people persons. They live for connecting with others, understanding their needs, and helping them grow. They possess exceptional empathy and the ability to understand exactly how you are feeling. Their kindness is contagious, making everyone feel included and appreciated. This means they can pick up on vibes, read between the lines, and connect with others like nobody's business. ENFJs are connected with high emotional intelligence, which helps them to graciously accept feedback with an open heart and mind. They value peace and harmony, and they go the extra miles to help others. And by the way, I have heard that ENFJs are total people pleasers. Is that true? But don't be fooled. Beneath their polished and captivating exterior, a volatile mix of feelings and passions lies hidden. They believe in fairy tale romance and are often consumed by their own emotions. They value commitment and crave deep, meaningful relationships that they may not always show you. That being said, they believe in equal partnership and they go above and beyond to maintain a balance of power, decision making, and responsibilities. ENFJs are also known as the masters of emotional regulation. They often conceal their true feelings behind a calm and composed exterior, even when they are feeling extreme distress or overwhelmed inside. They might share engaging stories, use infectious humor, and show genuine interest in others to effortlessly divert attention from their own inner turmoil and create a more positive atmosphere. This selfless act helps them maintain stability and peace in their environment and protect others from their emotional wounds. On the other hand, they can be overly self-critical and might get caught up in analysis paralysis, making it difficult to make decisions. They often prioritize others' needs over their own, that often leads to exhaustion and burnout. ENFJs can be extremely sensitive to conflict and criticism, which might make them avoid difficult conversations, resulting in unresolved tensions and clashes. They want their work to have a purpose and they are committed to contribute to the greater good. They are driven to fight for social justice and create a positive change in the world. They are keenly interested in exploring complex ideas and philosophies to understand the world around them. They are often drawn to creative fields where they can express themselves and bring new ideas to life. They make inspiring educators, counselors, and therapists. ENFJs are deeply committed to personal growth and they always try to become the best versions of themselves. They are natural planners who can envision and work towards a better future. They can effortlessly adapt to new situations and lead others with confidence. They thrive in roles that enables them to empower, uplift, and inspire others, such as community development and humanitarian work, where they can create a positive and lasting impact. ENFJs tend to avoid conflicts because they hate hurting others, but in order to grow fully in life, they need to learn assertiveness skills and set clear boundaries. This will make them unstoppable. ENFJs live for people. They thrive in social gatherings and can light up an entire room. They make the most loyal and supportive friends you will ever have. This concludes our ENFJ discussion. Did that resonate with you? Are you an ENFJ or do you know someone who is? How do you use your charisma and interpersonal skills to inspire and motivate others? Share your story in the comments below or share it with someone who needs to hear this. Your story can change life. Subscribe to Connect Within TV and start your journey towards a more self-aware, empowered and mentally liberal you.